Well guys, here we are this beautiful Monday morning. Got two pipes to change out. I guess the system stayed full of water and froze and busted two pipes, so see what we can get done today. Not windy yet. Well, we got the new pipe in. The old pipe loaded up on the trailers, so now we just got to tower it up and hook it up and make sure it walks. But that's what the issue was. Pipe is not in very good shape, so yeah, the other one is crack right in the bottom there. It's hard to see, but anyhow, yeah, definitely got a little bit of rust, which is not too bad, but not the best. Well, we're all done with the system. First tower one pipe, second tower one pipe, but yeah, we got it done and ready to go. Old boom truck is not working as well as I would hope, so we're going to haul it today. Well guys, as I was saying, the old boom truck has got some issues. Lights quit working the other day when I drove it down there, so my turn signals didn't work, and I didn't want to deal with all that down there, and yeah, so we're hauling it. But anyways, yeah, got another good day, and let's see if we can get home in one piece and see what the rest of the week brings.